क्या आप रेडी हैं अपनी नॉलेज को टेस्ट करने के लिए? तो देखते हैं इस क्विज़ में आप कितने क्वेश्चंस का सही आंसर दे पाते हैं। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना और अपना फाइनल स्कोर कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना। सो लेट्स गो। ये बड़ी दिस इज दीपा। आज के इस वीडियो में हम अपनी नॉलेज को टेस्ट करेंगे एक क्विज़ के थ्रू। तो क्विज़ में होंगे टोटल 25 क्वेश्चंस और कुछ क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको मिलेगा आपको इस टाइम के बीच में ही अपना आंसर select. So, the first question is, what is the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Option A, an introduction. Option B, the beginning. Option C, the preface. Option D, the prologue. So the correct answer for this question is the preface. So the second question is, how many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? Option A 4, option B 7, option C 8, option D 6. So the correct answer for this question is option D 6. Question number 3 is, what is the term duration for the President of India? Option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 4 years, option D 6 years. So the correct answer for this question is option B 5 years. So the fourth question is, who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Option A Prime Minister, option B President, option C Speaker of Lok Sabha, option D Chief Justice of India. So the correct answer for this question is option B President. Question 5 says, what does Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantees? Option A right to equality, option B right to life and personal liberty, Option C, right against exploitation. Option D, right to freedom of religion. So the correct answer for this question is option B, right to life and personal liberty. Now the sixth question is the term of office for a member of the Rajya Sabha is option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 6 years, option D 2 years. The correct answer for this question is option C 6 years. The next question is the Attorney General of India is appointed by option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Chief Justice of India, option D Lok Sabha Speaker. So the correct answer for this question is option A President. So the eighth question is what is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Option A 500, option B 545, option C 552, option D 600. So the correct answer for this question is 552. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the list of languages recognized by the Constitution? Option A first schedule, option B second schedule, option C eighth schedule, option D ninth schedule. So the correct answer for this question is option C, 8th schedule. Question number 10 is the directive principles of state policy are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Option A, Part 1, Option B, Part 2, Option C, Part 3, Option D, Part 4. So the correct answer for this question is option D, Part 4.
So the 11th question says,
How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Option A, 20, Option B, 25, Option C, 12, Option D, 8. So the correct answer is option C, 12.
question number 12 is,
Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Option A, the President. Option B, the Prime Minister. Option C, the Chief Justice of India. Option D, the Parliament. So the correct answer for this question is option A, the President.
question number 13 is,
How many high courts are there in India? Option A, 24, Option B, 25, Option C, 26, Option D, 27. So the correct answer for this question is option B, 25.
question number 14 says,
Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Option A, 42nd Amendment. Option B, 44th Amendment. Option C, 61st Amendment. Option D, 73rd Amendment. So the correct answer is option C, 61st Amendment Act.
Question number 15 says,
Part 9B of the Indian Constitution, which deals with cooperative societies, was inserted by which Constitutional Amendment Act? Option A, 91st Amendment Act of 2003. Option B, 97th Amendment Act of 2011. Option C, 99th Amendment Act of 2014. Option D, 103rd Amendment Act of 2019. So the correct answer for this question is option B, 97th Amendment Act of 2011.
question number 16 is,
In which schedule of the Indian Constitution is the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in states other than Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram specified? Option A, 5th schedule. Option B, 6th schedule. Option C, 7th schedule. Option D, 8th schedule. So the correct answer for this question is option A, 5th
question
schedule.
number 17 says,
Under the Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC), Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita (BNSS), which of the following statements regarding a zero FIR is legally accurate? Option A, it must be registered only in a metropolitan city. Option B, it allows any police station to register an FIR for a cognizable offence regardless of jurisdiction before transferring it to the appropriate police station. Option C, it can only be filled by the DM's written order. Option D, it exempts the police from conducting an investigation. Correct answer for this question is option B.
question number 18,
Who among the following eminent jurists and constitutional experts termed the preamble as the identity card of the Constitution? Option A, K.M. Munshi. Option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer.
option D, N.A. Palkiwala. So the correct answer is option D, N.A. Palkiwala. Question number 20 says,
Which of the following fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during a national emergency declared under Article 352 of the Indian Constitution? Option A, right to freedom of speech and expression, Article 19. Option B, right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Option C, right to life and personal liberty, Article 21. Option D, right to equality before law, Article 14. So the correct answer is option C, right to life and personal liberty, Article 21.
Question number 21 is
What is the maximum period of police custody that a magistrate can authorize upon a single remand application under standard criminal procedure in India? Option A 7 days, option B 15 days, option C 30 days, option D 60 days. The correct answer for this question is option B 15 days.
Question number 22 is what does physical custody mean? Option A, choosing which parent the child lives with. Option B, choosing what school the child goes to. Option C, choosing which doctor the child visits. Option D, choosing what religion the child follows. So the correct answer for this question is option A, choosing which parent the child lives with.
So now we come to the next question, which says, what does solo custody mean? Option A, both parents look after the child. Option B, the child lives with a teacher. Option C, only a parent has the main responsibility for the child. Option D, the child lives alone. So the correct answer for this question is option C, only one parent has the main responsibility for the child. Each branch of government in a democracy is primarily responsible for writing and passing new laws. Option A, the executive. Option B, the judiciary. Option C, the legislature. Option D, the bureaucracy. The correct answer for this question is option C, the legislature.
Question number 25 says, under which article of the Indian Constitution can the President declare a national emergency? Option A, Article 352. Option B, Article 356. Option C, Article 360. Option D, Article 364. So the correct answer is option A, Article 352.
With this, we come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.